Sobrang laki.
Ayoko lang lang. Dalawa. Bili pa ako na. May tanong. Bibili ka ba? Lobo.
Wow,
Bibili ka, Tite? Ha? Bibili ka? As in never? Never. Ano ba bibili ko?
Sa ano sa balik eh.
Magkano ka ba? May iba ako ba?
Meron.
9 to 3. 1 and 2 banana.
Ano pa?
Wala ah. Pag-red to. Pag-red.
Romel! Joke lang.
May charger ka ba?
Wala na siya, wala na saksakan.
Mukhang mo ito lang sasabihin. Para sa mga dito. Sinula mo yan ba? Yung mga tatunan sa mukha. Magkano pera mo?
Wala. Saan ba kayo?
Ayoko ng piso ko. Puro piso na nga yung balik.
Makakuha niya tayo ng ako meron ako haba ng
Lagi na lang.
Drummer na si UST ha.
Let's have a quick attempt. We begin with Senga, Naive, Ildefonso, Infantado, Painaga, Bautista, Anso, Vasquez, Revelo, Galarpe, Opilio Honey, Ortega, Avendaño, Villalba, Isha Opilio, Mangulapnan, Hidaya, Palermo, Dio, Tiampo, Maromo, Velasco, Mitra, Guzman, Da Costa, Ulangas, Balitan, Padula, Alabo, Rivera, Robert. De Julio, Dario, Rivera Camille, wala rin. Tolentino, Recorba,
Present po.
Mendoza, Kenjis, Antonio, Comandao, Mendoza, Aubrey, Fredo, spread around, Benino, Liso, Clemente, Binduan, Mondejar, Muega,
Present po.
Briones, Kapunsan,
Present po.
Manalo.
Present po.
Sino si Manalo? We're going to discuss this will be supposedly for next week, but then again, yung ating week for the midterms will be jam-packed. Meron tayong mga programs, correct? Mga arrangement, and so so on. And so, ang target natin is to finish all the concepts for the midterms as fast as we can. And so, di tayo magagahol. Di tayo yung nagawa natin last time, emergency meeting pa tayo just to discuss yung mga remaining topics. But for now, we'll be going with technology as a way of revealing. This will be a concept that is derived from a person whose work significantly contributed to the development and understanding, deeper understanding of how we look and how we see technology. So our learning outcomes for today, we will be differentiating the essence of technology and the essence of modern technology. Discuss and illustrate the dangers of modern technology. Explain why art is the saving power of modern technology. Okay, so this will be our learning outcomes. So here, I introduce to you Martin Heidegger. Are you familiar with him? Hindi. Saan siya huling nakita? Saan siya huling kamataan? Pasig? Sa Pasay. Yan. Ano ba siya doon? Tatawag ng pasero sa jig? Ano ba siya? Well, Martin Heidegger is a well-known mind, brilliant mind in the works or in the understanding of technology. His work was prominent in the 20th century. So he's an important philosopher. Now, his study, his essay, his published book, actually it's an essay entitled The Question Concerning Technology, woke up a lot of new perspective on how we look into technology. Kasi sometimes, if we have technologies, let's say cell phones or other types of technologies, we just look at it by means of its function, correct? We don't look into more essence, what is beyond the technology itself. Diba? Tinatanong nyo pa ba kung saan gawa? Pag bumibili ba kayo, let's say bumili kayo ng iPhone 17 Pro Max, fully paid. Okay? Tinatanong niyo pa ba kung saan gawa yung kanyang mga device, yung mga chips na ginamit for that? Tinatanong niyo pa ba yun? Yes. Okay, so yung kanyang concept on technology was used to understand thoroughly yung concept ng technology. His concept, yung kanyang essay, The Question Concerning Technology, suggested how we can establish a free relationship with technology. In this essay, Heidegger focused on our orientation to technology, not on the form or function. So, we are actually not looking doon sa pinaka-itsura lang, aesthetic lang ng ating technology. So, we're actually looking into something more than the technology. For example, yung functionality niya, yung convenience niya, what was the concept behind the manufacturing of the technology? Diba? What was the motivation? Na-inspire ba? Anong inspiration ang ginamit? Or if any, what inspiration was used to actually devise and create a certain type of technology? So that kind of thinking was the thinking of Martin Heidegger. So it was not just, looking at it na yun lang, Marami pa siyang pinag-iisipan, maraming pang mga factors, aspects, that help to contribute and to, make and create the technology. So here, the question concerning technology, how actually we, generally think about technology, we can think about it in two ways. One is instrumental definition. We mean technology is a means to an end. And technology is a human activity. That's anthropological. These definitions are correct. However, according to Heidegger, technology is more than instrument, and technology is more than human activity. Okay? So, anyone? When we say technology is a means to an end, what do we mean by that? When you say technology is a means to an end, what does it mean? Anyone? Yeah.
Sir, parang ginagamit siya for weapons, something like nuclear technology, something.
So your definition, your description of that is to end, for example, through destruction, through using it to end, for example, life. Ano ba yun? How about the others? What else? When we say putting an end, using technology, ano ibig sabihin?
To solve a problem, like we use technology for convenient na paggamit natin. If we're like giving advance on something.
Alright, so that is also correct, no? When we say means to an end, it's actually giving, rising, no? Yung mga, for example, yung mga hindi natin nagagawa, okay? Because of these technologies, because of the introductions of certain technologies, we can now perform, function, yung mga in the past, hindi nagagawa before. Okay? That is means to an end. Human activity is also anthropological definition of technology because we, as humans, we are very dependent on technology. Now, for Heidegger, technology is not just now an instrument. No? It's more than the instrument itself. According to him, it's not just a human activity, but it develops beyond human control. And this is seen by continuously improving the technology na meron tayo. Okay? Also, according to Heidegger, technology is the highest danger. Okay? Risking us to only see the world through technological thinking. So, parang naging yung ating way of living, yung course of actions natin are more on in line na sa technology. And so, yun yung mga dangers, according to Heidegger, na pwedeng dalhin ng technologies sa atin. So the question concerning technology, to understand fully what is meant by technology as means to an end, Heidegger discussed concept of causality. So yung concept na to is a concept to describe a technology, not just the function itself, but all the aspects, all the factors that contributed to create the technology. There are four causes. We have causa materialis, formalis, finalis, and efficiens. Lahat ng to, these four factors will help to create a technology. For example, we have here a chalice, a silver chalice. Here, without thinking of the four causalities, ang thinking natin, perception natin sa chalice is used for drinking. That's it, correct? A technology used for drinking. But Heidegger actually thought of something else. What were the things needed to actually create the metal or the silver chalice? So according to him, we have causa materialis. It's actually the material used to create the silver chalice. Example dyan, since the chalice is made of silver, the causa materialis will be the silver. Now, causa formalis will be the form or shape. It is dependent on the efficiencies, the convenience, how big, how small, okay, the shape. It all falls under causa formalis. Causa efficiens is the worker. For example, here, the silversmith, the one who performed and created yung ating silver chalice. And cause of finalis will be the end product. Yun yung pinaka-product natin. Okay? So every time that you look into a technology, for example, I want you to think, what were the causalities? Bakit na-develop yung material na, let's say, yung ballpen, yung paper, yung table, your cell phones? What are the causalities? What are the things behind that na nabuo yung mga technologies na yan? So the Latin word causa means that which brings it about. Also, Heidegger prefers the Greek word aision. Aision means that which is responsible for something else. Ito yung four causalities na nasa previous slide natin. Okay, thus Heidegger used the terms heil, eidos, telos, and logos. Pinalitan lang yung causa materialis, yung ating efficiency. Heidegger changed the terminologies into heil, eidos, telos, and logos. So here, para makita natin yung comparison, in terms of logos, ano yung counterparty logos dito sa causalities? We have four: materialis, efficiency, formalis, and to reveal, logos, meaning, that means, so logos means to reveal, heil, the material used. We have telos, drawing of the clear boundaries. It is used for Christian ceremony of communion, and eidos is the form or shape. So you see, maraming aspect, no? You have to know the functions, or you have to know the more essence, a deeper meaning of a technology that is in front of you. It's not just about the shape, it's not just about the person who made the technology, but everything should be considered. So Heidegger introduced the word poiesis. Now poiesis is actually a word that means bringing forth, making something not present be present, diba? Discovering something new, no? Creating something. Poiesis in a way is a kind of revealing. So in this case, yung revealing, what's that nerd saying? Well, sige, last na yan. Hindi na ako kukuha na. Sige, ha? So, a way of revealing is a word, no, synonymous to poiesis. When we say revealing, since ang topic natin, technology as a way of revealing, it reveals the, the type of course of actions or way of living ng mga gumagamit ng technologies. Okay, so Heidegger also introduced the word aletheia, which literally means unveiling or revealing, yung pag-disclose, no? Pag-discover. It is also a Greek word for two. Okay, what else? Heidegger argued also that technology is a kind of poiesis and a way of bringing forth or revealing, and as such, the realm of truth. So this is all under the essay na naka-publish ng essay ni Martin Heidegger. So his concept on technology was, again, used to understand technology more. So more terminologies on technologies. Take a look at the technologies on how, from the past up to the present, since we are comparing yung modern type of technologies, how they reveal the humanities, So here, the word technology was derived from the Greek word technikon, which is related to the word techne. Diba? Heidegger makes 2 points about techne. Number 1, techne is a word that refers to both manufacturing and what else? Aside from manufacturing, it is also a Greek word that refers to the arts. The arts of producing or manufacturing the technology, for example, or the tool. So Techne is also a part of OASIS. So Techne is a kind of knowing, just like technology is a part or a way of revealing. It may refer to expertise or know-how. So kapag sinabing Techne, it also includes the manufacturer, it also includes the knowledge possessed by the manufacturer into creating something, something as an example of a technology. Okay? So if technology is derived from the concept of Techne, then its essence lies not in the instrumental production of goods or manipulation of materials, but in revealing. So after mabuo yung silver chalice natin, what were the convenience na naibigay nito sa community, the function of it sa community na ibinibigay ng material o ng technology, kung anong klaseng technology ang nabubuo. So that's technology as a way of revealing. Continuation, ito example din, for example, windmill. Paano naman siya naging way of revealing? Paano naman siya ginamit, yung technology na yan? Heidegger explained the difference between older forms of technology and modern technology. He said that modern technology has a different kind of revealing. It is actually challenging. Okay? So dito, kung i-compare natin yung modern sa older form of technology, ang older form of technology is more of what? More of revealing. But here, in the modern technology, we are trying to improve the technology that we have, and so it is seen, it is viewed as a way of yung challenging natin. For example dito, all windmills draw energy from the wind, but does not extract and store that energy. But right now, ganun pa rin ba ang nangyayari? There are instruments or technological advancements that can draw energy and can store energy as well. Okay? So the improvement, okay, can be seen in technological advancements. Okay, also the concept of standing reserve. Another concept ng standing reserve natin is, okay, here, ano ibig sabihin ng standing reserve dito? Yung good reserve. The idea of standing reserve, what do you think is that? Sino yung mga standing reserve natin? Technology transforms the world into standing reserve. A good example of standing reserve is, sino? Pwede ba tayo maging example ng standing reserve? We can actually be a part of a standing reserve. In fact, standing reserve is a mode of appearing or revealing through which entities are used. For example, yung constant availability, yung accessibility, yung disposability. These are all factors na kino-consider for a certain thing to be considered as standing reserve. We are all available, for example, and so we are a good example of standing reserve. That is all used for completing mga technologies or yung pinag-uusapan natin. Ito, second. May papasa. Alright, so here, let's have an example of a standing reserve and how humans can become an example of standing reserve of technology. So here, meron tayong humans can become standing reserves of technologies. In this example, ano yung standing reserve natin dito? Forrester provides what? It provides logs so that what kind of technology will be produced from that? It can be produced into papers. And papers, as a way of revealing, can also be used in so many fields. For example, in print industry, correct? So the print industry is also a form of technology that can be beneficial to what? Sino ba ang target audience ng mga print industries natin? The reading public. And so in return, the reading public can buy, and so yung profit na napupunta sa printing industry can be used to actually improve and continue yung alin. Continue the production of the technology. That is what we mean by the word standing reserve. Since yung mga forest is available, forester, in the form of human, can be used as a form of a tool for technological development. Okay? Okay, so here, because humans are responsible for technological advances, humans will never be completely become as standing researchers. They are only part, but they will not be completely, be part of yung standing reserve natin. In the same way, nature and nature's mode of revealing will never completely become under human control. Despite humans having now the capacity to destroy nature, the natural world reveals itself to humans on its own terms. Okay? Example natin dito, humans cannot directly control the formation of coal deposits or the accumulation of nitrogen in the soil. Ano lang yung pwede natin i-control? We can actually control by harnessing yung mga types of minerals na to. And by doing so, we can actually create more technologies from that. We can only control the way we orient ourselves or thinking and our actions in relation to such resources. So yung pag-create ng mga raw materials na to is wala sa kamay natin. But how to use them is definitely nasa atin. So humans tend to think of technology as an instrument, a means of getting things done. This definition, however, misses the actual essence of technology and tends to make us think that by making the technology better, we will master technology and solve the problems that accompany it. So in summary, humans tend to what? We tend to think, diba? We tend to think for improvement or to challenge and to better yung technology natin. So, continuation, Heidegger suggested that the human impulse is to enclose all experiences of the world within categories of understanding that are controllable, such as, for example, mathematical equations, physical laws, or set of classifications. Heidegger introduced the concept of enframing, similar to sa mga terms na ginagamit natin for this concept. Yung enframing, it's actually stemmed from the human drive for a precise and scientific knowledge of the world. The concept of enframing is actually when you are using, let's say, technology, di ba? Yung capacity natin to go beyond that, na-enframe, na-enclose, nalilimit. Okay? So we are only limited to function or to do the functions ng technology na meron tayo. But actually, enframing, is it a good thing or what? Is it a concern in technology? Let's say nagtatrabaho kayo from 7 to 8, 7 to 5, every day. Yun at yun ang ginagawa ninyo. Can it be considered as something that, a concept of enframing? From 20 Mondays to Fridays, same things. Yung ginagawa ninyo sa job ninyo, for example, is it considered enframing? Connecting it to technology, is it a good thing? Are we, sabi dyan, we are actually set to be content kung ano yung function, ano yung benefit na naibibigay sa atin ng technology. But is it really the case na gusto natin? What do you think? Di ba hindi? Kasi dapat, we need something that is more and efficient, di ba? Something that will make our course of action, our way of living more easier and more convenient. And so enframing should be, a term na hindi dapat nakikita o nakukuha when it comes to technology. Alright, so that's gonna be the topic for week number 8. By the way, yung inyong mga outputs for week number 7, ano ba yung aking sinabi? Google Drive din ba? Now, for the Google Drives ninyo, may nag-try na bang mag-access?
Same drive, sir.
Same drive pa rin siya, nasa BSRT2B. And then, merong separate drive for, what do you call this, for the midterm period. Okay? And so, doon yun na lang din ilalagay. Now, in the case na naglagay kayo, nagawa na kayo handwritten, sinong gumawa dito ng handwritten? Ayan. Pwede niyong picturean o kaya i-scan and then upload it doon sa ating drive. Okay? Now, for this one, ang inyong topic dito, ang gagawin nyo dito will be a group work. So, this will be your group work number 2. Now, for group work number 2, so here, for group work number 2, you will be divided actually into 5 na lang. Kasi meron tayong 5 groupings, correct? So instead of 10 groups, you will be divided into 5 groups. So here, each group will create a presentation regarding the philosophy of Heidegger. So pwede nyo gamitin yung concept ng poiesis, concept ng enframing, concept ng yung technology as a way of revealing. Pwedeng comparing yung modern and older version ng technologies in explaining yung philosophy ni Heidegger. So choose a representative piece of art that reveals the human person in the midst of rapid scientific and technological progress. Now in this number 3, sa instruction number 3, ibibigay ako ng example ng specific form of art per group. So since 5 kayo, 5 groups, correct? So you will be getting how many? 2? Is 2 enough? Or medyo madami na yung dalawa? What form of arts ang alam ninyo? Ano ba yung mga forms of art? Example, drawing, di ba? Tama? Sculptures. Ano ba? Is music a form of art? Yes. Correct. Is cinema, film? Ang film ba ay form of art? Yes. So here, you will be getting a specific form of art and explaining the concept of Heidegger using the art. And so, yung presentation, kung sino yung mga nag-present ng group work 1, sino yung mga nag-present ng group work 1, it's time to give the chance dun sa mga hindi pa nag-represent. Okay? Kasi para meron din silang participation. And also, if you want to, make it up yung grades niyo for the midterm, you can actually volunteer sa mga group members niyo. Okay? If you need the grades or extra points, kasi I'll be giving extra points actually since last prelims. Yung mga nag-present dito sa harap, they were given extra points for presenting kanila in yung mga works. Okay? And so, that is a factor pagdating sa grades ninyo. Alam nyo naman na yun, correct? And so, to give chance to others, yung mga hindi pa nagpe-present o kaya kailangan ng additional or extra points kasi may hinahabol na grades o kaya kailangan palakasin yung prelim grades nila, please volunteer and assign yourself na, okay, to do it. Here are guide questions that you need to answer since meron tayong presentation. I want these questions 1 and 2 to be answered during your presentation. Okay? You can actually divide the members if you want to. The other section, what they did is all members were able to present simply by dividing the parts of the presentation, assigning specific parts of the presentation to every member para lahat nakakabagong salita. Okay? So since ang next session natin will be online, tama? This will be presented online as well. Sa klase natin gagawin. Okay? Next week ba? Ano bang program natin? May programs na ba? Wala pa rin. And so, pwede na tayong mag-present by next week. By Monday. Tuloy. Sige. Yung ating form of art, i-assign ko na rin today. So that, makapag-prepare na lahat. Same grouping pa rin. Okay. Ayaw nyo na ba sa mga groupings?
Opo, sir, binubuli mo. Tulungan na lang.
Alright, sige, group 1. The group of Senga, correct? Sige. Your form of art, your art form will be dalawa, painting and sculpture. Wow. Okay, group 2. Where's group 2? Okay, your art form will be architecture and literature. Group 3. Sige, group 3. Give an example of a cinema that you can use to explain yung concept ni Heidegger. Aside from cinema, theater as well. Okay. Group 4. Where's group 4? Sige, your art form is music and dance. Okay. And last, number 5, group 5. Your art form is photography and digital art. Okay. Nakuha ba ninyo yung mga assigned art forms ninyo? May tanong ba? Wala nang tanong. Yung mga last time nag-grade consultation tayo, may mga absent ba last time na nandito ngayon? Hindi ko sino yung mga yun. Lumapit sa akin dito. The rest, you may not be. Kapit.
Magpapasa po ng form. Mamaya na lang. Mamaya na lang po.
Tangin na kasi kahapon bawal nga rin sa'yo yan. Sino mag-process ang Tsaka nakapagka kayo dyan. Magaling na. Sa'yo sa?
Uy, kung tayo gagaya nga papain ka ng ulo.
Ano yan?
College. College week mo. Mga kaibigan ko pa yung magtigas ko.
Okay.
Leader ba ako?
What pa? Tama ka ba?
Zia, forward na lang.
Bay, na-forward ko na
Hindi,
nga.
kung may sinabi ka siya. Kung may dagdag pa siyang dala. Thank you na lang. Thank you.
Bay, yung pastel na. Sabihin na. Level pa lang ka. My son. Bagal pa naman.
Leader,
Sorte, ang kalat ng magputi. Inantay niyo ba? Sanay sa'yo. Gun part na ni. Ayan. Ayan agad. Thank you.
Kaya hindi mo nakakita. Aray ko! Nakakita na naman ako.
Bakit?
Pero mga kakol.
Wait lang, hindi pa nga tapos yung bagay namin.
Dapat pa niya ako, Kol.
Bakit kayo? Yung ginagawa ko.
Magkakopya ako, tapos pakinggan lang.
Ito.
Oo nga.
Tangin na po, ginamit ko ng tropa.
Solid yan, malaman yan ah.
Nalaglag na ano niya.
Kanina nga din, malaman din nga eh.
Slip back.
Panginoon.
Panginoon yan, ah. Panginoon, tulungan mo ako. Sa mga pinag...
Kung may pinag-aantay mo kami sa klase, lalo.
Oo, totoo.
Tapos kapag online class, dapat pag-attend ng mga isang oras. Ang mga mga nagising mo lang kapag Wednesday, alas 12 pa lang eh, basta may tao na doon sa room. Seryoso nga? Ang sarap. Ang hirap lang. Bakit ano yan? Bakit ang galing ko yan? Weh, nakabumili? Doon. Tattoo to?
Akin na.
Tattoo to?
Ay, ikaw.
Tattoo to? Weh, sinagyan mo ko. Weh? Bago siya to. Oo, okay. Nandito, masusok ko. Akin na lang to?
Akin na.
Ako may galing. Galing ko.
Meron pa din sa pagdala.
O ba?
Lalagay ko sa mukha.
Ayun mo puro.
Pakinggan
Ano lang ito sa tindahan lang mo eh. Ako tindahan. Meron nga. Sure ba yan pagtulong mo lang si Ira? Hindi nga, meron nga. Ang meron ko rin to. Tsaka kung bisa lang po kasi sa akin ang pag-konti. Diba naman ka lang kung tawa-tawa? Where's the seriously pa ka ito? Diba ko makakita? Yung ano, yung ganun? Ay, tumikit na yan. Mabilis ang tumikit. Weh! Ay, hindi. Kasi ako depende pa rin sa content mo. Ayaw nga, pinipwede ko. Pwede. Ako na. Magsusunod ka ba? October dahil ikot pa lang kasi 30 Sunday. Sabi na ko ng ano ba? Ano?
Nakita ka niyo Diyos eh.
Tapos
Hindi na yun ako.
ano ba meron? May wala sila sa baba. Para guys. Teka. Parang ngayon na. Baka moro pa. Gusto ko yung henna. Angel ko na yun kasi dito yung part ng ano budget ko dito ah. Nakakilala na.
Ay, nakakat ka?
Hanggang baba, hanggang shoes talaga na nag-vlog. Yung! Yes! Di lang ako nag-isang ganun. Baka shoes, dami na ako kita ka. Baka matapos to isa. Uy! Walang makakita sa akin nandito. Sa kanya mo dami. Kailan? Kanina lang ka matapos sa akin. Naka-shirts ka naman. Sabi niya magkadapat na daw siya. Lala ko, nakapanty ka lang. Uy! May socks din lang. Hindi okay. Nagulay mo siya sa para ulit. Oo. Nang ilang beses ko lang mini-mention sila. Pag isa po, dadala ko razor. Razor na ako namin. Ulit-ulit na sinasabihin. Ayaw kasi. Ayoko dito na lumabang ko. Okay. Dahil pwede pa naman i-ban kahit may ban lang. Kasama sa form. Red form. Baka na, para ba? Training pa lang, right? Training pa lang. Alam ikaw ko. Sakit kasi ng pangaon, lamig eh.
Oo, pwede naman yan, di ba?
Meron ganun. Dapat sila ng ano, ng egg bowl na egg. Parang ano ba? Parang siyang ano yun. Parang siyang initin na walang tomato sauce. Merong ano? Tomato. Meron yung ano? Patatas.
Wala.
Making beats. Going down beach. Don't worry, baby. You can talk to me. So, ang uwi, pinabay, guys. Ang galing Oo. Nakita ko sa TikTok. Hindi ko naman. Puro ano na. Pwede ako sa TikTok. Yung una nga. Hindi na nag-get. Kasi hindi naalala ko pag company ko ano. May kasabay ka bang naman? Mabli na. Like a bitch! Boring down bitch! Bilang mo na talaga, Net. Tingnan mo kayo, Net. Ano na yan? Tingnan mo kayo, Net. Pwede yun. Dala ko nga. Kasi Instagram ko na pagkakuya ko. Parang hindi na kita. Ito yung mga one time ko. Ito yung mga nila. Nadala siya. Umig! Panakot eh. Umiiyak ko lang kung papaano yun sa akin.
Favorite ko yung ang ganda niyo ko. Hindi ka pang 7. Nothing memory. Parang after rainy day. I
Sunday
rainy
next
day.
day.
Still into you.
Ako pag umuwi, luha.
Grabe naman ko. Di ba pwede mo? Huwag mo na itago kasi sorry mo ako sa story. Ang fish ka lang yung ito. Nakalag ko. Kita o. Alam niya. Alam niya. Ito si Pao, nakita ko na siya sa solo. Ako yung ako. Huwag mo pa. Hindi ko yung ako. Huwag ako magpapunti. Hindi ko talaga hindi ko magsakapulong ako.
Pwede ko ulit.
Walang palaglagan dito.
Magbabagod ko, sabi ko kung
Oo, pag nabuntis ako, tulak niyo ako. Ay,
tig-isa kayo sa papat.
Ako mo may friend assistant. Tapos ang sakin niya ako.
Ano ba na kayo? Hindi ako pwede na. Laglag niyo ako sa stairs.
Makalay pa. Pailamin niyo ako sa akin. Oo, pwede naman. Yan, hindi ako low.
Ganun ko yung uy, di yan. Di mga nagpapalagdag na hindi.
Uy, ito ko. Sino ko rin ako. Ano mo, Tess? Kaya ito na ano? Sobrang dami. Yung tsaka
Depende sa kapit ng bata. Pero hindi yung bata.
Oo,
Tapos ng kapit. Ina mo!
Tapos natatanong ko siya sa isa namin minsan kung ano yung gamot na iniinuman minsan namin ng pagpalaglag. Eh, hindi sila sabi ng minsan namin kasi ano, gusto niya ko tuloy yung COVID test.
Oo, naman.
Kasi sa nauli yun eh, yung COVID test sa hospital.
Gago, ng gate.
Pwede kayo
Hindi, ginamit lang. Hindi pwede yun, bababa ko.
Video mo tayo ah.
Ang pinapunta sa ako ko yung mundo. Gago ka naman na. Okay na yung tamang GPX ang papakita ko. Sobrang ano. Nani? Ang gago. Chinese? Joto.
Alam niyo yung 7 super birds?
Baka.
Ang favorite ko na si Jenna, yung crazy poppy ko.
Ito favorite ko.
Ang favorite ko rin si
Ayan lang sa akin.
Ako si Mitena.
Okay na ako. Kada yan na. Ayun na.
Isang mundo, nasa ibang mundo.
Gago ka ba?
Ayaw na niya.
Asa na yung Doraemon? Asa na yung Doraemon?
Wala lang. Wala lang.
Ba yun?
Nasa bilas ko. Kalkalit ko.
Guys, napanood din ako dati. Yung
Ako si Jenna.
Sino yan?
Learning. Pati yung si Jazzy.
Si Jazzy yun, di ba?
Oo,
Di ba siya nagdang ko sa'yo?
Hindi, hindi si Jazzy. Si Jazzy yung gumawa ng watermelon.
Hindi. Ano yan?
Ano
pinag-iisip ko sa'yo po?
Ang ganda niya pa naman, oh. Kasi iba yung kailangan namin iliinumin natin. Alam mo yung ano, yung mga kapatid?
Oo.
Bro and sis. Hindi, gago.
Ano yung size niya?
Yung na UGs. Kami! Yung magkapatid! Yung bro and sis. Ganun sila. Yung kung pinapanood doon. Ako kasi ano kay Prom Invasion yun.
Gummy Bears real good.
Hindi, ang pinapanood yun sa magkapatid yung ano nila. Past and future yung mga
Gusto ko yung blooper.
This is a Carmen. Yan na hello for girls. Oo.
Ano yung Cookies Girls eh?
Ha?
Cookies Girls yun?
Ay, porn star yun.
Bago?
Oo nga!
Cookies Girls yun?
Oo nga ni! Porn star siya.
Yung nagkain na mga naman?
Oo, syempre pinakami siya gano'n. Bukod doon, porn star siya.
Hindi mo ako nag-Cookies Girls.
Yan! Oh my God, di mo alam! Wala pa, pakita ko sa iyo. Sabi ko kasi yung sa sausage part.
Dami ko dahil.
Kala ko talaga magpapalala. Ay, nagimamot ko.
Papakulik
ako kita na ako dito sa'yo. Lakas mo sa... Wala pa naman na. Parang kasama ko sa ano.
Hindi mo siya nag-Cookies Girls nun eh. Kaya pwede siya nag-Cookies Girls.
Ay, yun ang bago. Ayun o. Oo. Parang may game?
Ano nga? Username ko sa Roblox eh.
Makita ko naglalaro ka ng nag-o-open lang ako.
Hindi ko na nga
Kaya kitang palong sa open pero pag nakakita. Wait, talaga ba? Hirap ko sa PC. Nag-robot siya din. Wait, di ka rito. Parang pag yung jump scare sa lubong. Rama lang. Parang yung Amelia. Manifest mo ka ano si Ara. Gabo! Ayoko nga eh. Ako naman sa ano ko sa anak mo.
Ako, shit. Ano yan?
Pinakita daw na bago pumasok. Okay, sinabi natin ito pag nasa bahay. So,
Para. Send mo na user ko sa ano. Hindi ko mabuksan eh.
Mali ka naman ang
Ayaw
ayaw
ako.
ko.
Hindi na ako.
Paul, ano kayo pa? Ako na buo.
Kaya yung mga isa.
Uy, akala ko makikita. Ano ba?
Oo, akit na ako. Pwede ba akong isipaw?
Dalawa akong umakit. Start mo na.
Ano to? May review to eh. Ginawa ng siya dito sa Roblox. Pero yung mga video.
Ano eh? Sa nakakas sa Steam. At ilang player head?
Pwede single. Pero yung creative game na ito. Ano pa ano? Start to set ko. Sali ko sa akin yun. Wait lang. Padali ko yan. 3 times doon. Kailangan mo kunin yung lahat ng gem. Kasi may habol sa iyo. Hindi.
Takbuhan lang.
Kaya.
Tagay naman eh. Ano yung salita?
Ito yung talagang yung sa
Ay, yung ka. Order ka na naman eh. Ano ba naman yan? I-medium nyo naman para na-increase. Ang ano na para ganun. Huwag ka gaganon eh.
Ayun, ayun na. Pag
Pinaksak ko na lang kahit hindi ko ma-accept ang questions niya.
yung ito, galing basura pa.
Eh, ako ba? Bakit ganyan yung FPP mo kadiri? Hindi nakakainis na.
Paano nag-direct ng mga bot?
Wow!
Pag-direct na, pwede na
Kasi ako kasi
mag-report.
ito. Gago siya.
Jesus! Gusto mo ng malaking ipis, ha? Yung ano, yung porn star.
Oo.
Yung kulot na, yung mga box na ano, tas hardcore pop. Hanggang ano eh, hanggang balls eh. Hanggang ano, puso mo, hanggang ano, very mid-time, ano, mami, lagyan ko. Pero naman,
Pero may nakita ang picture, anong gago? Sabi parang nag-photo kay Tito Bae.
ay, sinan ko! Ako nag-send na sa GC.
Gago!
Gano'n na yun eh.
Oo, puta ka. Ilang
Gusto ko yung mag-review ko, pinamahalan.
Mamamatay ka, sobrang kulit.
Alam niyo sa Thailand, yung pick-up truck?
Sinan ko yun!
Ano yung dudog sa may
Sa ano, sa South Europe sila, tas Russian. Nakulong yung lalaki. Kasi
Thailand yun
babae,
ba?
ano pala, ano siya, frosty siya.
Girl, for $20 ba? $40.
Sa'yo
Ayun na yung $40.
Sinan ko yun!
Ina niya, TikTok ko nakikita.
Ay, di ba? IG after person. Di kasi kayo nag-view-tang. Hindi ako nag-ano sa IG.
Tapos may kita ka sa
Sa GC ba?
Yes,
Sa GC ko sinend yun. Hindi na ako available pa. Pero
Sa TikTok ko lang yung ano yun.
Ay,
IG
nakikita
na
ko yung kaninang umaga ako.
Bilis
Ako din. Tawin ako nag
Bayong-bayo eh.
Para sa kasakit eh.
Saan? TikTok or IG? Pero ko TikTok. Basta yung sa GC natin doon. Alin
Wait, namin mo sa TikTok namin sa
Okay, go. Saan persa? Matugtog tayo.
Anong araw?
Yun po.
Anong araw daw?
This Tuesday. Tuesday.
Kahapon?
Ay, hindi. Monday. Kasi Tuesday kahapon binalikan ako nung eh. So, Monday. Wala sa TikTok. Wala. Baka na-remove. Basta alin dun sa dalawa sinit. Baka na yung kasi di nag-movie yung puta ko. Nag-isip ko. Ganyan naman ako pinapansin. Search ko na lang sa Reddit.
Ay, oo, mami.
Ano, Russia? Ito na lang para malaki. Russia na. Pornhub ka.
Ito ang ina.
Ayan na! Yun!
Tingin.
Boobs!
Ay,
Parang
tingin.
wala na. Oh!
Ay, puta!
Sa pick-up!
Parang yung aso ko!
Parang liig! Tumaas na biya!
Ingit siya, girl. Grabe siya magbayo.
Ay, ano yan? Lalaki na lalaki.
Babae.
Ayan, ito.
Hindi mo lang nga daw.
Yung babae na,
ano,
ano?
kulong din. Hindi. Citizen siya eh.
What a dream!
Babae.
Kaya pa ko anak kong manda, yan ang car fun! Parang aso, baka magdikit yan! Siya inain dyan. Vagina lock. Grabe, parang siya, oh! Puro aso, grabe! Patugtog tayo ng mga lupa. Oh, ano ba? Mga beautiful girls. Beautiful girls.
Ladies ko yung ganito.
Gusto pick up ako ng
Dito sa highway pa sila, girl.
ano yung feeling mo ba? Ay, nakabulog siya. Ang bilis parang
Nakatali siya. Nakatali siya. Feel ko na with me. Bakit sila gusto ko?
hindi mo alam kung lalabasan ka ba o ano.
Giginawin ko eh.
Ako giniginaw. Sabi ng ano. Ako giniginaw. Gusto ni Faye sa tricycle. Tricycle? Oh, cute! Di man lang sa loob ng kotse. Meron yung isa. Yung ano, nasa motor sila yung lalaki. Yung lalaki yung nag-drive. Tapos yung babae nasa harap siya. Tapos yung nagdadrive.
Parang alam ko yan.
Parang nakaganon yung babae.
Parang alam ko yan. Nasa harap siya
Pwede na ako magkansan ko. Hindi ka naglululo? Hindi ka naglululo? Kahit once? Baka nagilan mo ako, baka
Makikita ka ng tatay mo.
okay. Ayun lang naman. Sabihin mo lang, hindi naman. Kaysa naman kay-angel araw-araw. Pag hindi ka na-distress, pag na-distress daw,
Wala na nga ako. Wala na ako.
kung hindi yung pihirap ka, gano'n. May sabi pa yun sa mga dati.
Wala na. Wala na ako sa sarili ko. Bakit na ako? Kita ko kasi.
Makakasip ka lang ng pumunta kasi yung galit na.
Hindi ako video kayo. Hindi ako video kayo.
Hindi na naman.
Ikaw, ha? Hindi. Ako nakahuli sa kanya palagi.
Saka nakakala ko pag may mahuhuli. Parang tanga.
Ang tama na kuya ko din. Ayun, nakita ko sa kanya tanghali ka pa, kagaya call. Kaya ay tama na ako, Steve. Ginano ko na lang, nag-day off ako kumari. Nagising ko. Ako din yun, nagtawanan lang
Ba't
ako.
kinapaw?
Nagalagatin ko. Mag-aano ka sa ano, sa umaga. Hindi ko pa nagpapanghali. Hindi pa nagpipray kami na.
Wait, dali na. Gamit ikaw. Dali ko yung Ash.
Akyat na kayo?
Oo.
Hoy! Pa! Wait lang, kaya ka. Labas mo na.
Ako wala na yung pagdo.
Ano to?
Ikaw din yan.
Tangay! Kay Ashley yan.
Ha?
Hindi, kay Pao yan.
Hindi pa ako. Ito yung gamit ko.
Hindi na ako bakit si Ash.
Wait, yung mountain ba to?
Oo.
Oo, kay Pao yan. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang.
Sinabas niya yung ganito yung nawawala.
Ayun. Yung ano.
Bakit sinabi ko pa lang kumapo?
Ha?
Sa loob na yata yung pagkakaling ko.
Ah, sa room na next? Ah, ikaw din.
sa water.
Ah, color blue. Blue, guys. Ito.